Okay guys, so this is Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about AdsPower. Okay, so AdsPower is more like an anti-detect browser for for hiding your IP, or maybe hiding your hiding your identity online. All right, so I've been using AdsPower for about 2 years now, and so I want to share everything I know on how to use AdsPower, how to set it up, how to use it, how to set up your profile, and how to add your IP address, how to like set it up from A to Z. Okay, and also at the end of this video I'm going to be dropping a discount link to get AdsPower, a discount code to get AdsPower for free. Okay, so before I show you, I get into the get into my account and tell you and show you how to use AdsPower on your PC, either on Mac or so. Let me quickly walk you through what AdsPower, what it does. So this is the home page. This is the home page. So if you like to try AdsPower for free, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. All right. So this is AdsPower. You can click here to get started or try it for free. And also quickly the pricing. The cool thing about AdsPower is you can get up to like 2 profiles for free. You can get up to like 2 profiles for free. I'm going to show you how to set up your profile on AdsPower in a bit. All right. So this is a pricing. You have the professional plan for like up to 10 profile, 20 profile and all that. So if you like to add members, the cost keeps increasing. Okay. So the monthly plan, this is the monthly plan. This is the quarterly plan. This is the annual plan. So I'll recommend you get on the annual plan because that will be a more cheaper than the monthly and the quarterly plan. All right. So this is the business plan as well. So if you just have probably just a need for a profile or two, you'll be okay with the free version. Okay. So basically what AdsPower does, in my opinion, is more like the senior brother of VPNs. Okay, so this is better than VPNs, but much more complicated. It's better and it's also safer than VPNs. All right. So to get started with AdsPower, first of all, you just make sure you download. So if you're on Windows, you download Windows. If you're on Mac OS, currently I'm on the Mac OS, so I've downloaded it to my profile. So this is for the Linux. Okay. So next, I will download this and come back to this in a minute. All right. All right. So I have downloaded the AdsPower. There are 2 ways to actually use AdsPower, but it is recommended that you download and use it on your PC. You can actually log into your AdsPower account, but to get the best out of AdsPower, make sure you download. All right. So I've downloaded, and this is my AdsPower account currently I have about, let me show you. So currently I have about 2 profile. Okay, so I'm on the paid plan, so I'm going to 2 profile. Here is you can add group, you can name your profile like your unique name, right? Then you can do your IP and all that, and then so I'm going to add a new profile, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. All right, so I'll click on new profile. So to add a new profile, you need to give your new profile a name. So I'll go ahead and just give it a name here. So I'll just give it Tao. Okay. So you have to choose your browser, either Sun browser or Flower browser. All right. So user agent, this you just leave this. Then and on Mac you leave this. Cookie, you leave this. So if you have a cookie you like to export from other, probably a Facebook cookie, Instagram cookie, or Reddit cookie, whatever. So you put your cookie here, then you put up your remark here. So this is this part here, this proxy part is where everything changes. This is what actually makes the difference in your AdsPower. So here you have to custom proxy type. You have to choose your proxy type. So proxy type, you can decide to choose like HTTPS, HTTP, and all that. But I'm going to show you how to go about this in a minute. All right. Then IP checker, you can decide IP checker. IP2 location is the ID one here. Then the platform none, the tabs none, and then we come here. Let's see. Yeah, so we need to select HTTP. So once you select HTTP, this automatically pops up, right? So you need to put your host and your port, put your username and put your password, then change your IP URL. This is not really necessary. Okay, so to get your host and port, or and to get a proxy username, so you need to actually sign up to a proxy. So you need to sign up to a proxy. Then the best proxy I would recommend is Proxy-Cheap. So I'm going to get into my Proxy-Cheap account and show you what I mean in a minute. Okay, so let me pause this and get into my Proxy-Cheap account. Okay guys, so I'm in a Proxy-Cheap account. So Proxy-Cheap is one of the best residential proxy provider out there. So as you can see, I currently have about 4 proxies on my Proxy-Cheap account, right? So I have about 2 is expiring soon here. Then I have 14 inactive. All right, so these are my, so I've ordered a proxy for my for one of my AdsPower profile. So this is the name here. This is the name. This is proxy ID. Then this is the IP. So I'm going to get these details and put in those enter those details into my AdsPower account. So if you want to order a proxy, let me quickly walk you through how to order a proxy. So once you get into your account, you order a proxy. You click on order a proxy. Let me show you how to go about this. So what you do is you select, depending on your kind of proxy that you need. So normally I use this static residential proxy ISP. All right, so depending on your needs, so you can choose to the static data center, the static mobile, the static data center. This is another one here, IP version 6. So this is IP version 5, I believe. Rotating mobile, rotating residential. So if you need the basic, I usually go with the dedicated plan here. So basic is pretty cheap, very very cheap. All right, so premium. So here you need to select your location. Most of my location are in the US, so I choose the US here. Then the ISP, choose your ISP here. So let's say I select the United States. So the ISP here will be, well, you can select anyone. I usually go for CampLink or Comcast. All right, so number of proxies, time period. So 1 month, 2 months, up to a year. All right. So if you like to auto extend your proxy, you can also do that here. Okay. So most of the time I usually auto extend. So sometimes if it's a proxy I need for a very short while, I don't need to extend. All right. But if it's something I need to use in an ongoing basis, I'll just extend right here. So that's how I would go to ordering my proxy. So quickly, let me get my proxy details and put that into my AdsPower profile. Okay, so let me get into the active profile. So here, this is the profile I would like to put into my new AdsPower profile. Okay, so we click on this. All right, so the protocol, as you can see here, is protocol is HTTP. So I need to go back, and the protocol is HTTP. Okay, so and then the host port. Let's go to the host port. The host port would be so this is the host port here. IP address. Copy the IP address here. Then port would be here, right? So this is the port. Copy the port. I'm going to blur all this, for safety measures. So my username, I'll copy my username here. Proxy username, then proxy password here. All right, so get my proxy password. So this is my proxy password. So that is basically what you do here. So you just need to your name, select your browser. I usually go with some browser, and put all these details here, and that is all. That is basically all right? So as you can see, this is my new profile, my AdsPower profile. So what I'll do is I'll just click on open. So if you click on open, it's going to install some browser to your it's going to install some browser, and from there you'll be able to access your new your new browser in a new location without turning on your VPN, without doing anything else. So you'll be accessing your new profile via a different browser, and also a different location, United States, right? So let me show you what I mean. So right now my location is Denver, right? So you just need to like open up my Sun browser. So here so let's see, let's just take a search on random stuff here. So as you can see, the location here is Colorado. All right, so that is basically how you set up. So you can sign up, you can sign into your Reddit, your Instagram, your TikTok, or whatever, using your new location. All right, so that is how I would go about setting up AdsPower using Proxy-Cheap as my recommended proxy. So if you have any questions about this video, please drop them in the comment section. And also do not forget to get a link, the link in the description. The first link in the description is a link to get your AdsPower discount, get started with AdsPower. The second link would be a link to Proxy-Cheap. All right, so that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. And please don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.